This is exactly what a haunted house would say.
Não sei, eu tenho que pegar o escada do dia 18, acho que meu pai já tá em casa, eu vou pedir pra ele ir lá buscar.
He noticed that a bird was following him, but he wasn't ready for what came next.
Look who the f is back. That's the bird right there. That just chased me back in here. Look at him. He be bullying me, cuz. Watch.
One of my subscribers sent me this video of these musical rocks that when lightly tapped, they make a chiming sound.
I'm glad it makes my ears. Or I'd move somewhere else.
Okay, she's probably jealous.
Yeah, and so that's the whole, it started out messy to begin with, but then we dated for like 6 months or something like that, and then after—
They're so close, yet so far.
Turn the light on.
you gotta give it a good whack.
This tattoo is so useful.
One time I carked my car. What?
This is my favorite clip from this episode. A family in Australia captured this amazing footage of a group of kangaroos hopping across the water. I think it's safe to say she isn't the favorite.
What the?
Yo, Texas weather is so hot, bro. Look at this. Like, dang!
We got Mama Bear, and then we got the cub in the lift pool. What? He's calling down the ladder.
This guy was out snorkeling when he made a new best friend.